Hello everyone. In this video of chapter amines, I am talking about preparation of amines. The first preparation by ammonolysis of alkyl halides. When alkyl halide is heated with alcoholic solution of excess ammonia, it undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction in which halogen atom is replaced by amino group, that is NH2 group, to form primary amine. The process of breaking C and halogen bond by ammonia is known as ammonolysis, and this reaction is carried out in the sealed tube at 373 Kelvin. It may be noted that primary amine obtained in the first step is the stronger nucleophile than ammonia. Hence, it further reacts with alkyl halide to form secondary and tertiary amine and finally quaternary ammonium salt if ammonia is not used in large excess. Here, what will happen if alkyl halide RX I am taking and I am treating it with alcoholic ammonia on heating at 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin, I will be getting primary amine. And the order of reactivity of alkyl halide is alkyl iodides are more reactive than alkyl bromide and alkyl bromide are more reactive than alkyl chlorides. Now the next method. The next method is the reduction of nitro compounds to give you amines. Aliphatic or aromatic nitro compounds can be reduced to primary amines by using metal and acid mixture. Like you can use mixture of tin and HCl, you can use iron and HCl, you can use zinc and HCl. These all are providing nascent hydrogen which is going to reduce nitro group into amino group. Or we can do catalytic hydrogenation by using hydrogen and nickel catalyst or platinum catalyst or palladium catalyst also. Or we can also use lithium aluminium hydride in ether solution. Any one reducing agent could be used and nitro group will be transformed into amino group with a nascent hydrogen produced by any one of the reagent used. Another method is reduction of alkyl cyanide or alkane nitride. Primary amines can be obtained by the reduction of alkyl cyanide with sodium and ethanol. This reaction is called Mendeus reaction and this is also carried out by using lithium aluminium hydride. Here alkyl cyanide or cyano group would be reduced into amino group and you can say 1 degree amine or primary amine used to be obtained by Mendeus reaction. Third method is by the reduction of amides. Primary amines having same number of carbon atoms can also be obtained by the reduction of amides using lithium aluminium hydride in ether or by sodium and alcohol. Any one reagent or mixture could be taken and they will reduce this CO group into CH2 group. So from amide or cyanides or from nitro groups, we used to obtain amines by reducing them. Now the another method which is known as Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. This method is used for synthesizing primary amines. It involves 3 steps. The first step is the formation of potassium salt of thalamide from thalamide when we are allowing to react it with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. See, this is the compound thalamide where you are seeing nitrogen or you can say NH is the secondary amine present here and this compound is allowed to react with alcoholic KOH. What will happen in this reaction? This hydrogen is replaced by this potassium metal and hydrogen will take up this OH group and eliminate it in the form of water here. So we obtain here potassium thalamide and water would be the byproduct. Now the second step is this N-alkyl potassium thalamide will react with alkyl halide. And what will happen? The halogen of alkyl halide will take up this potassium and get out in the form of potassium halide, and alkyl group would be bonded to this nitrogen atom of the compound. Now we will get an alkyl thalamide here. Now the last step of the reaction is when we are taking an alkyl thalamide and we are hydrolyzing this compound, or you can say we are hydrolyzing in the presence of any alkali, we would be getting sodium thalate and primary amine would be obtained. Aromatic amines cannot be prepared by this method because aryl halides do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction with the anion formed by thalamide. Now, the next method is Hofmann degradation or Hofmann rearrangement or Hofmann bromamide degradation or Hofmann hypobromite degradation. This is also one of the important method, and this method is important because it is a step down reaction. Step down reaction means the total carbon atoms present in the amine which we have taken. From that amide we will get the amine which is having one less carbon atom. Suppose you are taking the amide which is having 3 carbon atom, then from that amide you will get amino compound or amine which is having 2 carbon atom. That is why this reaction or this kind of preparation is called as Hofmann bromamide degradation, or it is a step down reaction. This is a good laboratory method for the conversion of amide into primary amine containing one less carbon or one carbon less. This reaction is brought about by the warming of amide with bromine and concentrated aqueous KOH. The overall result is the removal of this carbonyl group from the amide, and amino group containing compound will be formed, or you can say amine will be formed as a product having one less carbon than the compound which we have taken as a reactant. If we see the reaction, in this reaction one amide is taken and it is heated with bromine and KOH solution which is aqueous, we will get to see the formation of 1 degree amine and potassium bromide, potassium carbonate and water. Let's suppose we have taken acetamide or ethanamine. When ethanamine or acetamide is heated with bromine and aqueous KOH, we will be getting methanamine with potassium bromide, potassium carbonate and water. So these are the method of preparations of amines. Thank you.